Suppose we have this problem. Find f of x given that f prime of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3. So recall that in differentiation, we are given f of x and we are asked to find f prime of x. While in integration, we are given f prime of x and we will be asked to find the function. So this is actually just an integration problem. So to look for f of x here, f of x or y will just be the integral of x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3 dx, which we know how to do. It's just x cubed over 3 minus 2x cubed, sorry, the first one should be x, this is x fourth to the fourth over 4 minus 2x cubed over 3 plus 3x, and then you have your plus c there. So as we said before, we don't have any information to find the value of c. We need more information to be able to find the value of c. So suppose you are, we are given that f of 0 is equal to 2, which just means that when y equals 0, when x equals 0, then y is equal to 2. Then we could use this information to find the value of c. Okay, so let me write that down here again. So f of x will be x cubed over 3 minus 2x squared 2x cubed right, x4 over 3, okay, x to the fourth over 4 minus 2x cubed over 3 plus 3x plus c. And again, this just means when x is 0, y is equal to 2. And remember that this is just y. So if we use this, we can now get 2 is equal to 0 to the fourth over 4 minus 2 times 0 cubed over 3 plus 3 times 0 plus c. So obviously c there is equal to 2. So it means that the function that we are looking for is x to the fourth over 4 minus 2x cubed over 3 plus 3x plus 2. Let's take another example. So f of x will be the integral, in this case, will be the integral of 2 sine x minus root x dx. Or let's rewrite this as 2 sine x minus x to the 1/2. You write this as x to the 1/2 right away. So the integral will be negative 2 cos x and x to the, so minus x to the 3 over 2 plus c. And let's just clean this up a little bit. Negative 2 cos x minus 2/3 x to the 3 over 2 plus c. And this means that when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. And because this is just y, we will have 4 is equal to negative 2 cos 0 minus 2/3 times 0 to the 3 over 2 plus c. And because cos 0 is 1, so this will be negative 2. And this is negative 2. This is just 0, so you have plus c. So it means that c is equal to 6. Therefore, the function f of x is negative 2 cos x minus 2/3 x to the 3/2 plus 6.